Have you noticed? Gold prices have been climbing rapidly, almost unpredictably. But why? Is it a temporary surge or is something bigger happening? Could this be a sign of a financial storm brewing? And most importantly, how high could it go? In this video, we'll break down the top reasons behind the rise in gold prices. Fast. Stick with me, and let's get straight to the facts. First off, inflation. It's no secret that inflation has hit new highs. With the cost of everything from food to energy rising, people are looking for safe places to store their wealth. Gold is the obvious choice. Why? Because it holds its value when the dollar weakens. When inflation rises, currency loses purchasing power. And what happens next? Investors rush to gold, pushing the price up. Simple as that. Number 2, central banks. They've been buying gold at an alarming rate. Why? Well, central banks are worried about the future. With economic uncertainty all around, they're hedging against potential financial crises by stockpiling gold. This isn't just a trend for big players. Ordinary investors are catching on too. Gold is seen as the ultimate safe haven when global markets are unstable. Next up, geopolitical uncertainty. We've seen trade wars, rising tensions between countries, and even military conflicts. What happens when the world feels unstable? People run to gold. It's like a financial security blanket when other markets feel too risky. In times of political and economic chaos, gold doesn't just survive, it thrives. Then, there's market volatility. Stock markets are up one day, down the next. Bonds aren't looking great either. And with crypto markets shaking too, investors are looking for something more reliable. Enter gold. Gold's rise is driven by its status as a stabilizer. As other markets wobble, gold remains resilient. Finally, currency devaluation. The US dollar and other major currencies are feeling the pressure. With record money printing and low interest rates, the dollar's value is weakening. And when that happens, investors flee to assets like gold, which holds its value over time. The result? The price of gold goes up. So, what does this mean for the future? With inflation high, central banks buying, geopolitical tensions rising, markets swinging wildly, and currencies weakening, we could see gold prices continue to climb. Some experts predict it could even break the $3,000 per ounce barrier. But it's not a guaranteed rise. Gold prices could also stabilize or even fall if global conditions improve. So, should you invest in gold? It's a personal decision. But one thing's for sure, the rise in gold prices is not just a fluke, it's driven by real-world factors that are impacting us all. The question is, will gold continue to rise, or are we at the peak? Only time will tell. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit subscribe and ring the bell for more updates on the world of finance. Got thoughts on the gold surge? Drop them in the comments. Let's talk about where this is headed.